Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. It is a US Hot Wheels US J case. I've done 2 J case unboxings. In fact, this is the second A&J Toys unboxing I have done. J case unboxing. I did the international case. Then Mattel sent me a case. That was kind of a bit of a dud. And Ken said, I've got another case, I'm going to send it to you, another US case. I said, let's do it. I always like doing unboxings, Hot Wheels unboxings especially. You never know what you're going to get, so we're going to open it up. But less about this, it's like, I don't care. This could have been a case from a year ago. So I just wanted to do it in this setting. I just want to show you where I am. This is Capitol Reef National Park. Capitol Reef is one of those probably underappreciated national parks in Utah, kind of in the center of the state. Someone I know very well, a loved one, is living here this summer, and I am borrowing her backyard. And look at this backyard. Is it not incredible? Beautiful, beautiful orchard with an incredible backdrop. You got half the screen is the table there, but you can kind of get a sense, and maybe I'll give it another shot of what's kind of around me. But it's an absolutely stunning area, and we're going to cover it all up with a piece of cardboard. So that's what we do, right? Happy to be doing a video again. Let's just get this one cut open. Let's go through the cars. Let's just see what's in here, and I get to do an unboxing video in an absolutely stellar, stunning location, so I'm happy about that. Let's just see what's inside. Supra is the car. I didn't even get a regular Supra in the last case, so it's kind of nice to do another US case, and let's just see what is inside. And we'll go fairly quick so you guys can see the scenery. And I'm just making sure that everything is in the shot. Let's go for it. All right. Teed off. Honda Civic Custom, absolutely stunner of a car. Love that casting, love this version of it. And then the Batman. Oh, look, a Batmobile animated series. Didn't we pull an error in the first one too? Group C Fantasy, Glory Chaser Super in the last case, and then the Dodge van. Sorry for the wind. I'm not going to apologize too much for it because it's just too pretty here, but it probably does irritate the microphone a little bit. Batman, oh look, a Batmobile. Count Muscula Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. We talked enough that this is the end of that one-hit wonder run that this car had. Cloak and Dagger, Plymouth GTX, and the Unimog. This case, I've seen remnants of this case in stores. I've only been to a couple stores in the last few weeks. Oh look, a Batmobile. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, Rockin' Railer. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, new casting, fantastic new casting. Diora 3. Oh look. I mean, really, come on guys. That's so many Batmobiles. Twin Duction, that's nice. BMW i8 Roadster, end of that run as a one-hit wonder. And then the Solero GT with the new wheels, which looks fantastic. Got a few people driving by. You wonder what they're thinking of me sitting out here. I'm not too far away. Kind of look like I'm, well, anyway. Lamborghini Sion, which I probably say wrong. FKP 37, I think I'm going to add that to the collection. 84 Mustang SVO, that looks great. And then the really cool recolor, the Zamac recolor of the Braille Racer twin mill. We're almost done with this first half. Love this car. It is the Nissan Maxima drift car. Love that color. There's another Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, and there's that fantastic regular treasure hunt. 95 Jeep Cherokee would fit perfectly in this setting. In fact, I'll put it off to the side. Maybe we'll do that. Jeep Cherokee with muddy wheels works really well. Oh, look, a Batmobile. And there is the Super Cub Custom, the Honda Super Cub Custom, cool casting, and the Diora 3. Hot Wheels 4-track Fast Felian, I can't say it. Tuned Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious. And this fell over, but we got a couple more cars to do, and I'm actually going to just push this in so it doesn't blow away. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. There's the Corvette and Dodge Charger. Corvette Gasser, which is really nice. I really like this version, the Holly version, and then another Charger. All right, let's keep going. And Pagani Zonda. There's the recolor in blue. Very, very nice. There's the Sweet Driver and the Custom 11 Camaro. Lucid Air, really nice in black. Really cool casting, the Lucid Air. Really cool car. 84 Audi Sport Quattro, also very cool in black. And there is the Plymouth GTX again in orange. Aha, there it is. All right. Nice group of red there. Nice to know that this case has the 82 Toyota Supra. Whoa, that almost went down. It's going to get lighter and lighter. So there's the Toyota Supra regular. Supra would have been fantastic, but I'm not worried about that. I just really wanted to see the regular, at least because that last case didn't have it, and that was a little bit worrisome. Porsche 911 GT3, and then the tuned twin mill. That Porsche is fantastic too. We're going to get a little complicated here because the wind is picking up, but let's see what happens. Just going to hold it up. Another Glory Chaser. Love the Audi in green. We've talked about that one. The Firebird's pretty nice too. Group C Fantasy. I'm holding this kind of awkwardly. Cool combi recolor. Looks so good with those moon disc wheels. I love the moon eyes. And then there's the Dodge Power Wagon. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Dodge Van. Pro Street Thunderbird in black and gold, which looks great. And then there's the Bone Shaker. Another Mustang. Another Pagani. Another Solero GT. And now that we've seen these, we know the Supra is in this Hot Wheels High. Oh, look. And the Lightning Bug. Roller Toaster, another Lamborghini, and that is the Bricken Delivery. I'm so much happier with this case just because I had the Supra. Cloud Cutter, another BMW, another Thunderbird. And this wind-fighting finale is the Audi, the fantastic Sierra Cosworth, Ford Sierra Cosworth 87, and that tuned Silverado. And I won't even put these down because I have to load up this case again so it doesn't blow into that beautiful orchard. Jaguar I-Pace. There is the Fast and Furious, the Grand Sport Roadster, and the Mad Splash boat on water car. That is it. Let's let you see that instead of the cardboard. Absolutely stunning setting. Thank you, person I know, for letting me hang out in this beautiful, beautiful backyard. I've been told at dusk it'll just be deer crossing that whole section the whole time. It's just so cool. Take it in for a minute. Thanks, everybody. Bye.